Have you ever wondered why the universe seems to hide its biggest secrets from us? Science has unlocked so many doors, from splitting the atom to mapping the human genome. But some questions. They linger like ghosts in the lab, haunting the brightest minds on Earth. Today, we're diving into 10 unsolved mysteries that still baffle scientists. These aren't just puzzles, they're the kind that could rewrite everything we know. Stick around till the end, because number 1 might just blow your mind. Let's jump in. Number 10. Why is there more matter than antimatter? Picture this. In the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot soup of particles and their opposites antimatter. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy. By all logic, the universe should have wiped itself out, leaving nothing but light. But here we are, made of matter, in a universe full of it. Scientists estimate there's about 1 billion times more matter than antimatter. Why? Experiments with particles like BMSons show tiny differences in how they decay, hinting at an imbalance. But it's not enough to explain everything. Could there be hidden physics at play? Or did something tip the scales in those early seconds? This mystery haunts particle physicists, because solving it could reveal why anything exists at all. Number 9, where's all the lithium? It sounds simple, like a missing element on your periodic table, but this one's cosmic. According to Big Bang nucleosynthesis, the theory of how the first atoms formed, the universe should be packed with lithium-7. About 3 times more than we observe. Stars fuse it, sure, but that doesn't account for the shortfall. Is it locked away in the cores of ancient stars? Or does it point to exotic particles like ixions stealing it away? Astronomers scan distant galaxies, but the lithium gap persists. Imagine if this cracks open new physics beyond the standard model. It's a quiet haunt, but one that could append our story of the universe's birth. Number 8. Why do we sleep? You spend 1/3 of your life doing it, but why? Sleep restores your body, clears brain waste, and consolidates memories. We know the benefits, but the core reason, a mystery? Some animals, like jellyfish, don't sleep at all. Theories suggest it's an evolutionary trick to save energy or hide from predators. It deprives someone of sleep, and they unravel. Neuroscientists map brainwaves during REM, but can't pinpoint what flips the switch. Is it a chemical buildup? A neural reset? This everyday enigma haunts sleep researchers because unlocking it could cure insomnia or even enhance human potential. Next time you doze off, remember, science still doesn't fully get why. Number 7. How does gravity really work? Gravity pulls you down, keeps planets orbiting, thanks Newton and Einstein. But zoom in, atoms are 99.9% empty space. So why don't things fall through each other? Why is gravity so weak compared to other forces? We can't unify it with quantum mechanics, the rules of the tiny world. Is gravity carried by particles called gravitons? String theory hints at extra dimensions, but no proof. Black holes and the Big Bang demand answers. Physicists chase this through colliders and telescopes haunted by the gap. Solve it, and we might master wormholes or anti-gravity. Mind-bending, right? Number 6. What is dark matter made of? Hold on to your seat. 85% of the universe's mass is invisible. We call it dark matter because it doesn't interact with light, but its gravity shapes galaxies. Without it, stars would fly apart. Candidates: weakly interacting massive particles, WIMPs, ixions, or even primordial black holes. Detectors buried deep underground hunt for collisions, but not as so far. Astronomers see its effects in cosmic webs, yet the stuff itself, elusive. This ghost in the machine haunts cosmologists, because if we crack it, we rewrite the cosmic recipe. What if it's right under our noses, in a parallel realm? Number 5. How did life begin? Like from lifeless chemicals to you watching this, how? Abiogenesis theories point to primordial soups in ancient oceans, sparked by lightning or hydrothermal vents. The Miller-Urey experiment zapped gases and got amino acids, building blocks of proteins, but self-replicating life, still a lab fail. Was RNA the first code? Did meteors deliver it via panspermia? Fossils show life exploded 3.5 billion years ago, but the spark? Unknown. Biologists and chemists chase this origin story, haunted by the gap between non-life and life. Imagine recreating it, we could seed other worlds. Number 4. What is consciousness? You're aware right now, feeling, thinking, deciding. But how does a 3-pound brain create you? Neurons fire, sure, but the hard problem is why it feels like something to be you. Is it emergent from complexity, like an AI? Or quantum effects in microtubules? Animals show signs too. Does your dog dream? Philosophers and neuroscientists debate, scanning brains for the seed of self. This haunts because it touches who we are. Solve it, and we might upload minds or prove souls. Deep, isn't it? Number 3. What happened before the Big Bang? 13.8 billion years ago, everything exploded from a point. But before, a singularity where physics breaks. Was it a bounce from a previous universe crunching? Quantum fluctuations from nothing? The Large Hadron Collider recreates early conditions, but the before eludes us. Theories like eternal inflation suggest endless bubbles of universes. Cosmologists are haunted by this ultimate origin. What if time itself began there? Challenges our very notion of beginnings. Number 2, is time travel possible? Forward? Yes, fly fast. Time slows per relativity. Astronauts age slower, backward. Wormholes are faster than light might work, but paradox is like killing your grandpa loon. No physics forbids it outright, but energy requirements are insane. Quantum gravity could allow closed time-like curves. Physicists toy with ideas, but proof? Zero. This sci-fi haunt could unlock history or doom us with loops. Would you go back if you could? Finally, number 1, how will the universe end? Will it freeze in eternal expansion, stars winking out in a big freeze, or rip apart if dark energy surges? Maybe crunch back to a singularity. Dark energy's role is key, but we don't know if it's constant. Telescopes peer at distant supernova for clues. This ultimate fate haunts astronomers because it's our story's end. Heat death or rebirth, the cosmos keeps it secret. There you have it, 210 mysteries that still haunt scientists. Which one creeps you out most? Drop a comment below, like if you're baffled, and subscribe for more mindbenders. Science marches on, but these ghosts linger. See you next time.